Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and unscrew 8 captive screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove 4 3mm screws from the battery. Unwind the battery cable from its grooves. Push back the locking clip and unplug the battery cable from the battery. Plug the battery cable back into the battery and push the locking clip closed. Replace the battery cable into its grooves. Slide the battery back into place. And replace the 4 3mm screws. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 8 captive screws in the bottom cover.